Greetings, Team LCPS. This is your proud Superintendent Doug Straley. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, the first day of school for our 25-26 school year and the start of a brand new adventure for this amazing team. This morning, we had the privilege of welcoming our students and staff back onto campus. And as our students and staff walked through our doors, I was reminded of what makes this team so special. It's the people and the relationships we share. This community, our amazing Louisa community, is a special place. And the relationships that are built inside the walls of our schools are ones that stand the test of time. This has been a day filled with hugs, high fives, and great big smiles. And it's been a tremendous way to start our brand new chapter on our journey to greatness. And another reason today is a special one for me is that it marks the start of my 10th year as your superintendent. Those 10 years have flown by because it's been a decade filled with great memories, a decade filled with lots of hard work put forth by this entire team, and a decade filled with tremendous grit. Each day is a gift, and I cannot express how thankful I am to be a part of this team here in Louisa County Public Schools. I'm surrounded by educators who are committed to giving our students their very best every single day. We're excited for the opportunities this school year brings, opportunities to bring out the best in each other and to make dreams come true. To all of our students out there, we're so thankful and excited to welcome you back this school year. You inspire us, and we're going to do everything we can to make sure you have an awesome school year. To our parents and guardians out there, thank you. Your support means more than we can ever express and is a huge factor in our success. And to this staff, our amazing Team LCPS staff, once again, I am so proud of you, and I'm grateful that our students have educators like you in their lives. So now, as we celebrate our first day of school, let's commit to cheering each other on this school year, and let's commit to giving each other our very best. Let's be Louisa, and let's make sure we continue to lead the way. Have a great day, everyone. Have a fantastic school year, and most importantly, never forget, we are Team LCPS.